Yeah, that's my 3D printed weapons collection so far. Initiating. Welcome back to my daily grind. Create yourself, that's what it's all about. One day, one step in the right direction. I'm Chris and I'm all here to show you if I can do it, then you can do it as well. It is Saturday and I don't know why, but I got sick again. I don't know if it came back. I hope it just came back so it won't hit as hard as a new one, I guess. And furthermore, I have no clue how to solve this. Yep, I just put some nails in there. Well, my sister came by to check out the epicness. Well, come in. It's right there.
Oh, create yourself.
Damn.
Oh, nice.
You like it?
Yes, I like it.
You like it too?
Yes, it's very nice.
And you print this yourself? And where's the other printer?
Right there.
Ah. But, okay. But it's not the normal printer.
This is a 2D printer,
For this.
aka a plotter, yes, for this.
And the new wall things for the plants from the last daily vlog. I'm totally up to date.
Yeah, the real ones.
I thought it's really sharp.
Yeah, but the tip is pretty pointy.
Now, did you cut yourself? Since you...
I didn't use it that much up until now. Probably won't.
Nice design. Spider weapon.
Spider-Man.
And then you can throw this instead of the web.
I just printed out the last two parts for the wall, well, the last two Karambits, so let's exchange them. So that's the progress, and yeah, that's my 3D printed weapons collection so far. There is a lot more to come, and if you're interested in one of the designs, I already covered all of them in a separate video. I will link it up here. That's the Karambit Trainer version 1, Karambit Trainer version 2, 3D printed knuckles, and of course the shadow daggers. Yeah, I would say this right there, well, that's a teaser for the next vlog, and I will see you tomorrow.